GlocalMe KeyTracker, a next-gen global locator packed with unique and innovative features. From its advanced positioning technology to its global coverage and emergency connectivity, the KeyTracker promises to be a reliable companion for keeping track of your belongings. Let's explore what makes this tracker stand out from the rest. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. In the box, you'll find the KeyTracker, a waterproof case, a user manual, and a Velcro strap. These accessories ensure you have everything you need to get started and protect your KeyTracker in various environments. The GlocalMe KeyTracker utilizes cloud SIM technology for global location services, supporting 6 types of positioning technologies: GPS, AGPS, LBS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and active radar. This multi-network and multi-base station technology enhances base station positioning accuracy, especially when GPS and Wi-Fi signals are unavailable, addressing the issue of large positioning deviations that are common with traditional trackers. One of the standout features of the KeyTracker is its innovative active radar search. Traditional trackers often struggle in complex environments within the last 100 meters, but the KeyTracker's active radar guides you to your target, even without GPS. This feature ensures you can find what you're looking for, no matter how challenging the terrain. With support from cloud SIM technology, the GlocalMe KeyTracker works with networks from over 350 carriers worldwide, providing service in more than 200 countries and regions. This extensive coverage enhances precision by over 50%, making the KeyTracker outperform similar products in dense forests and indoor areas where GPS and Wi-Fi signals struggle. Another unique feature of the KeyTracker is its ability to provide free global emergency hotspot connectivity. Thanks to its cloud SIM technology, there's no need for a physical SIM card. In case of an emergency, simply open the KeyTracker to access local 4G networks and send messages, ensuring you stay connected. This feature includes 30 minutes of free internet service, with usage varying depending on your subscription plan. The KeyTracker is smaller than a business card and weighs only 45 grams, making it easy to attach to your backpack, suitcase, keychain, or any other item. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 7-day regular standby time and a 9-day extreme standby time. Additionally, it offers real-time tracking, historical trajectory, electronic fence, and more, providing comprehensive tracking capabilities. Equipped with an airplane mode, the KeyTracker can stop sending signals during flights and resume tracking once landed. This ensures your luggage remains traceable without interfering with aircraft operations, providing peace of mind when traveling. Let's break down why the GlocalMe KeyTracker is a superior choice. Tracking capability. The active radar feature makes locating items in the last 200 meters outdoors and 100 meters indoors a breeze, unlike other trackers that lack this feature and are limited to 5 to 20 meters. Foolproof coverage. With support from multiple global network operators, the KeyTracker excels in rural areas, forests, and other remote places where other trackers might struggle. Positioning technology. Utilizing 6 advanced technologies: GPS, AGPS, LBS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and active radar, ensures reliable tracking, far surpassing trackers that rely only on GPS or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can see the subscription rates on the screen, which are reasonable for the services offered. The rates provide access to the extensive global network and emergency connectivity features, making the KeyTracker a valuable investment for anyone needing reliable tracking solutions. In conclusion, the GlocalMe KeyTracker is an exceptional global locator that combines innovative technology, extensive coverage, and user-friendly features. Whether you're tracking your luggage, keys, or any other valuable items, the KeyTracker provides reliable, precise, and efficient tracking. Its compact design, long battery life, and additional features like emergency hotspot, connectivity, and active radar search make it a standout product in the market. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.